everyone, welcome to M High Club. Welcome back again on another episode. It is the festive season for the world of aviation when the doors open for one of the most spectacular events of the year, the Dubai Airshow. Stay tuned, we'll get you more updates. The Dubai Airshow is one of the largest in-person events in the world, was long waited and well executed by the UAE authorities. The theme of the Dubai Airshow 2021 is the future of aerospace industry. The event was phenomenal to overcome the drastic decline in the aviation sector during the pandemic and encourage commercial air travel to the wider community. Over 1,200 exhibitors from 148 different countries, including 20 country pavilions and more than 80 startup entrepreneurs, was contributed for the successful launch of Dubai Airshow 2021. So here we are getting into the outdoor aircraft display. It's over more than 160 aircrafts on display from Russian military, from US military, UAE, and most of the high-profile airlines. Well, talking about the history of the Dubai Airshow, this is the 17th edition of the Dubai Airshow in 2021. Once in every 2 years, all the industry leaders, decision makers, government officials and military officials get together here for this significant event. It is one of its kind and one for the region and one of the biggest in the whole world. The importance of Dubai Airshow 2021 is very vital when the country is celebrating their 50th anniversary of unity. And here we are at United Arab Emirates forces displaying their military jets. Okay, this is right behind me, one of the widely spoken aircraft. This is C17 Globe Master. It belongs to UAE Air Force. Over the past few months, there has been so many circulations for this C17 Globe Master. Right now we are getting into the interior of the C17 Globe Master. Let's have a look. This is Emirates Flight Training Academy, Cirrus SR22 NM100 EV. Emirates Flight Training Academy is one of the leading in the region. It's located here in Dubai South. The long-awaited 777X just about to take off now. Let's wait for a while and then see how this bird is going to fly. To give you a little introduction about this Boeing 777X and why is it important. It has a wingspan of 72 meters and the length of 77 meters. It's got 426 seats and it's a General Electric GE9X engine, and the latest version expected to deliver by 2023. Boeing 777X, the latest version, first time here in Dubai and first time in an air show. In a region where we talk about a lot of massive aircrafts, my question is, what more massive aircraft than this? And this is Emirates A380 special livery for the country's 50 years of anniversary of unity. Echo Victor Quebec, that's going to be my next stop. This is a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, and Etihad made it to a Greenliner. How was that happen? Let's go find out. Over 70% of products used on board are recyclable and reusable, and over 38% of sustainable aviation fuel used for a single journey. And that makes the concept of eco-friendly flights for a sustainable future. Not many airlines have been started to adopt this concept yet, but it is time. Etihad Airways, being the forefront head of the entire concept, is a great example to the entire region and to the world.
So, welcome on board.
Yep.
Welcome on board.
Thank you.
Looks like plastic bags. It's eco-friendly. It's the concept of the Greenliner. It's eco-friendly, and we make sure that nothing goes to waste, and
Everything is sustainable.
Exactly, it's for sustainability.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for
so much.
visiting.
Have a wonderful
Thank
day.
you.
Apart from 777X, there were few aircrafts were outstanding due to its popularity, functionality, business demands and ownership status.
This is Embraer E2 Profit Hunter. Leonardo AW609. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning. Let's go.
Boeing V22 Osprey.
This Russian helicopter Ka-52, reconnaissance and combat helicopter.
Airbus A350 XWB.
One of the reasons behind why I'm here to the Sukhoi Checkmate. It's stealth, it's 5th generation, and it's from Russian military.
For the first time in the airshow history, a unique opportunity was created for aerospace startups to meet their investors and decision makers to pitch their ideas, join investor meetings and mentorship clinics. VISTA was a successful platform for all the startup entrepreneurs at the Dubai Airshow 2021. Well, that's a wrap of the show. All the good things comes to an great end. It has been an immense pleasure to take part of the show, and it proves that the aviation industry is back on track after a mighty fall. So on this occasion, I pay my humble gratitude to the General Civil Aviation Authority and the Dubai Airshow officials for bringing up such a massive structure to execute such a lifelike event. Signing off now. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Subscribe, like and share my club. Till I see you again, stay safe and stay strong.